everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we're going to do a look with this Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. All the outer shadows are matte, and the inner is one shimmer shade. So if you want to see how I got this look using this palette, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a look using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. There are 8 mattes and only that one shimmer in the center. So we are going to take a swing at this and see what kind of look we come up with. I'm going to do a quick scrub on my brushes because I just ran out of brush cleaner. It's alright. I need to order some of the, I think it's called Cinema Effects or something like that. It's the big blue bottle. It's fabulous. It works great. So, yeah, we're going to have to do something a little bit different. Okay. Alright, so let's see if I can't get a pretty solid look going here. Alright, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay. This is the, what is it called? Naked Skin. It's like a loose setting powder, but when I put it on my face it looks pretty dark, so I've been really using it just to set my eyes, even out the skin on my eyes. I do use it on my face sometimes too, but yeah. Alright, so we're going to go into this shade right here. We're going to, not that one, that one. And we're going to use that for a transition. My eyes won't know what to do. They've had kind of like pink shades on them all day. You guys know I bulk film. Try to at least change my clothes so you don't think, so he doesn't look at it and go, she never changed her clothes. Yes, I changed my clothes. I changed my clothes. I promise I changed my clothes. Alright, so take this little piece of plastic off the mirror here. Let's see if we can get this mirror to help us out a little bit. Okay, I think I'm going to stay over on this side of the palette and then the shimmer maybe and up here. So the next color I'm going to go in with is that rust orange color, and I'll go in and use that as a crease color. Just adding some depth to the eye. No, Susan, that's not the right color. Not yet. Too soon. Too soon. Too soon. And the heck, maybe that's Sears. No, it's my husband. So that may be important. We'll just take a quick look-see. Sorry, guys. My husband rarely calls for me during the day unless he needs me. Alright, so I'm going to go into that shade right there. And I'm going to put that in the crease as well and a little bit down onto my eye. We're getting some fallout right there, but that's okay, we'll clean it up. Alright, let me see what my husband has to say. He must need some help with something. He's still typing, which means he's writing a novel. He wrote a novel. Be right back. Sorry guys, my husband. You gotta love him. Okay, I'm gonna go in, not that shade, but this shade right here, and then I'm gonna get my outer corner and pull that up some. Let's see here. There is fallout. Mostly, normally I do my eyes first and then my foundation so it doesn't bother me. But this time I did it a little bit different. So what's my husband doing? Alright. I think that's all I'm going to do for now. Then I'm going to go into this goldish color in the center. See what we come up with. My brush is a little bit wet I cleaned it on a wet pad, so we'll see how this does. It may need to be a little bit more wet. Or it needs to have more product on it. Soaking wet. So that looks much better. Now the pan is, because I don't know if it's because I was dragging on it before and my brush wasn't wet or what it is, but the pan is like lifting up the, here, let me see if I can show you. You see that? You see how it's lifting the shadow a little bit? I think I can press it back down in. So this is like one of her softer. Oh, my husband. So, yeah. It's not a big deal, but I just, like, when something does that, I want to tell you got it. I want to tell you it does it. I don't want to be like, oh, it's wonderful. Yeah, it has some issues. Oh, we got orange and pink all over our face. Hair is toast. Alright, we're going to go into this light shade here. On the bottom, almost the white shade. And we'll put that in our inner corner. And then we'll put a little bit of mascara on. Kind of be done with this. Put a bit more foundation back on. We'll go on with this Laura Geller foundation, I'm sorry, mascara, and I think that's gonna be it. Going to kill that phone. Alright, and I'm going to change my lip. I have a pink lip on right now. I'm going to do a little switcheroo. And I'm going to go to this Catsuit liquid lip from Wet n Wild. Yeah, so what do you think? It's okay. I know I need to do something with my hair later. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button if you like what you see, and come back and watch one of my other videos. Thank you so much. Mwah.